Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I will quickly be providing you the information about the important update related to the upcoming exam. So that will be the upcoming 2022 exam about which we will be doing the discussion in this video today. There is some official update, the information about the dates, important dates we are going to have. We will be talking about all these important points in this video today. But in the starting, I'm just quickly going to provide you some of the important information. So guys, if you are the one who want to attend the classes by the top educators on Unacademy Plus, and if you think you want the guidance by the top educators to prepare for your upcoming CSIR NET and GATE exam preparation, so in that case guys, you can take your Unacademy Plus subscription, and whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen, and by using and by applying this referral code you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Another important thing that right now one offer is going on Unacademy Plus subscription of 6 months and 12 months. If you will be taking the 6-month subscription, you will get the 2 months subscription free, and if you will be taking the 12-month subscription, you will be getting the 2-month subscription free. So this is how you can get this benefit, the offer which is going on right now, as well as you can get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount by using and by applying the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here, or here you can see no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write and apply the referral code, and by using and by applying it you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now let me just quickly provide you the information about the benefits you will get after taking the subscription. So guys, now every week the new batches, the new courses are starting on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. So if you will be taking the subscription right now, then also you will be able to do the very good preparation for your upcoming exam under the guidance of top educators. You will get to know about the important concepts, tricks, right approach to solve the questions, and all these important courses will help you to be more confident about your exam preparation and to know all the important things related to your exam. So this is how everything together will help you in your exam preparation. Even guys, in each and every course doubt clearing sessions are there. If I'm going to talk about any course which is going on and you want to check out the previous classes of that course, so recordings will be available as well, and this is how like you will not miss anything and you will be able to cover up each and everything, okay, related to all these important courses, and you will be able to take your preparation to a very good level with all these important courses by the top educators. And after taking the subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes and courses by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus. Also guys, you can see the referral code has clearly been mentioned here. You can write everything in the capital letter like it has been shown here, okay, and no space in between. This is how you can write it and apply it, and you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also, to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can download the Unacademy Learning app, or you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google, and that's how you will be able to proceed further to take the subscription for CSIR UGC NET category. Okay, now let me just provide you that update related to which we are going to have the discussion in this video. This is about the GATE 2022 exam. So guys, here when we are going to check out the official site for the GATE 2022 exam, so here we are going to have some of the important announcements. You can see new papers in GATE 2022. So if you will click on view details, there you will have all the information about the new papers like GE new paper is there as well as NM. Okay, so these two are gonna be the new papers which have been added, clear, in this GATE 2022 exam. Along with that, like all other information regarding these two papers have been given here. And if we are gonna check out the second point in this announcement section, so it's gonna be foreign candidates related like information related to the fee and all of that. It has been shown here, okay, so you can have all the details here. Along with that, we will be having two papers combinations, like if somebody wants to attempt the exam for two papers or combination of two papers. So all the details you will be having here regarding that. Okay, so if you will even want to check out these details later on, so I'm going to show you all the steps and the procedure here. This is how you can check out the things in detail. All the combinations and everything have been mentioned here. Along with that, if I'm going to talk about the next thing, that is question paper pattern, which is very important for everyone. So examination mode, duration, number of subjects, sections, type of questions, questions for testing these abilities, okay, number of questions, and all the other information regarding the question pattern have been given here. Like you can have all the information in this section. Clear? Everything in detail it has been mentioned. Along with that, guys, if we will be talking about the next point, that is related to new pattern in AR paper. So this is architecture and planning, okay, new pattern, it has been shown here. So all details regarding that has been given here. If I will be talking about the next one, that is PWD candidate guidance, so everything is here, like related to that you will have. Now the important dates which have been announced. Clear? So on 30th August 2021, that means on Monday, you will be having like the opening date of online application portal. Clear? Another thing, 24th September 2021, that is on Friday, the closing date of online application portal. Clear? And this is going to be regular period. Another thing, if I'm going to talk about the next date, that is 1st October 2021 on Friday, that is the closing date of online application portal with the extended period, okay, with late fee. So here with late fee, okay, that sometimes it's gonna happen that in that allowed duration or in the first time somebody has missed the form and was not able to fill it. So then with the extended fee, you will have the closing date, okay, on 1st October. And after that on 26th of October you will be having display of defective applications for rectification. It will start. Done. Another thing, 1st November 2021, last date for the rectification of applications will be there. Then 12th November 2021 on Friday, last date for change of paper category and exam city with additional fee. Okay, that is going to be last date with additional fee. This is going to be just normally you will be able to do the rectification. And that's how, guys, these important dates have been announced officially. And you can see we are going to check out these dates and all the details on the official gate site. So even if you want to check it out later on, you can have a look at this. And if you are the one who was waiting for the information regarding your upcoming exam and you wanted to know about it first, that when you will have the exam, when the forms will start, okay, the application process will start. So I hope this information will help you to get an idea and even to be regular in your preparation, okay, and just keep on doing the preparation. Don't stop it, because if you will be regular with your application, like the preparation process, and you are gonna do the preparation regularly, you will not have any difficulty even when the exam date will get declared or all the other exams process will start. So guys, I hope that this information will be helpful for all of you. And yeah, if you want to prepare for your upcoming exams under the guidance of top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription even right now. It will help you a lot to do the best preparation for your exam and under the guidance of top educators. Another important thing, whenever you will be taking the subscription, use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here. Okay, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it, and you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. We will be having more important details. We will be having the videos on more important topics and discussion on this channel, that is Mission Ed Physics Exam. So you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And yeah, you can even check out the previous videos I have uploaded on this channel, which will help you in your exam preparation. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.